This is the step-by-step tutorial of Petit Bizoo's favorite stay-home art kits, including the Mother's Day canvas painting. In this kit, you will receive a postcard with step-by-step instructions, along with some accessories to add on your canvas, a roller brush, paints and glue, a paintbrush, and a canvas that has been taped off to spell Mom. To begin, use the paintbrush to scoop out your paint and then the roller brush to roll it out over your entire canvas. Add some designs using different colors. Using the glue, attach your accessories onto your canvas. Avoid placing them over the taped areas. This is a great family collaborative activity and makes the perfect gift for Mom. Once your paint has fully dried and you're happy with your design, peel off the tape to reveal Mom spelled on your canvas. Add some more three-dimensional accessories including buttons and doilies to complete your canvas. Once your canvas is fully dry, it is ready for Mom. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram for more creative art ideas.